ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति बुद्धिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यासः 23 नियमशतम् इति अत्र सन्ति। अत्र स्म वयम् आदि धातु के 10 लकार के पूरे रूप स्मरण करो। वी हैव सीन परस्मैपद वयम् अपश्यामः। परस्मैपद ह्यः। अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति परस्मैपदीय आदि धातु 10 लकारे आत्मनेपदी आत्मनेपद आदि धातु वयम् अपश्यामः। परस्मैपदी नास्ति इति अर्थः अस्ति पुस्तके। यदि पुस्तके एकः एव धातु एक एव पद अस्ति पदी आत्मनेपद अथवा परस्मैपदे एक एव अस्ति अर्थमस्ति यत् अर्थमस्ति इति एक एव पद अस्ति धातोः एक एव पद अस्ति इति। अस्तु नियमशतं पेज नंबर 46 नियमशतं। संध्या जी कृपया पठतु। क किम् अस्ति?
यस और विंशति 20 से बाद के सभी संख्यावाची शब्द केवल एक वचन में आते हैं। तत्वे सर्वाः संख्या संख्ययो।
एकनिमिष। दिस् इस् इति एकः श्लोकः अस्ति। विंशत्याद्यासदैकत्वे सर्वाः संख्येयसंख्ययोः इति अर्थः अस्ति 20 के बाद 20 के बाद सर्वे एकवचनः अस्ति। तो 20, 30, 40 all these शब्दाः are all एकवचनः। 29 30 from here 30 40 50 everything is एकवचनरूपम्। अस्तु। संध्या जी भवती एव कृपया पठतु। ख किम् अस्ति?
एकादशन से अष्टादशन 11 से 18 तक के रूप दर्शन के तुल्य बहु में ही चलेंगे।
बहुवचन में। एक निमिष। एकादशन से अष्टादशन 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 9 दशन के रूप बहुवचन देशन के तुल्य बहुवचन में ही चलेंगे। They will go like बहुवचन only। आभाजी कृपया पठतु। ग किम् अस्ति?
जी एक प्रश्न है। ये जो श्लोक था विंशत्याद्याः वाला, ये जो स्वामी जी हमको कहते हैं सूत्र या does it come under that category? No. Okay. So what is it? It's just a niyam.
It is just a व्याकरण नियम। विंशत्याद्याः सदैकत्वे सर्वाः संख्येयः मतलब 20 आद्याः 20 आदि बहुवचन। एवरीथिंग लाइक 20 सदा एकत्वे इट विल ऑल बी इन एकवचन। सदैकत्वे सर्वाः संख्येयः।
So over there स्वामी जी की क्लास में संधि और समास के जो नियम है, जो सूत्र हैं,
yes, the ones that I have given a number, like some of these, because some of these are not sutras, like they have said kramavachaka visheshana. This is not a sutra. or even Juhotyadi Gana. This is not a sutra, but this one is a sutra, Hashicha. So wherever I have given a number, and we can do it again, but where, because some they have listed everything the same way. So wherever there is a number, like these two are sutras, Sasajusharu and Atoro Raplatudaraplate, that you chanted. Adadigana is not a sutra. So they have mixed everything.
Right, okay.
Ga.
So I'm reading Kha. Kha is done.
Kha, Ga.
एकोन विंशतिः 19 से 99 99 तक सारे शब्दों के रूप स्त्रीलिंग एक वचन में ही चलते हैं, जिनके अंत में ई है, जैसे विंशति, षष्ठी आदि, उनके रूप एक वचन में ही चलते हैं। उनके रूप एक में ही मति, राइट, देखो शब्द संख्या 14 से 14 के तुल्य चलेंगे।
एक निमिषः। सो विंशति षष्ठी आदि आफ्टर एकोनविंशति, फ्रॉम 19 to 99, 99, everything will be in स्त्रीलिंग एकवचन रूप। जैसे एकोनविंशति and 24 is चतुर्विंशति, 38 अष्टात्रिंशत्। So wherever this ikara is coming, everything will be in Srilinga Ekavachana. And what is that rupa? Mati, 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 Matayaha. In this Chaturdasha, where is the page number? Page number 127. So you can go in this. Mati Shabda, this Shabda. So everything will follow this. So Mati, Mati, Matayaha, when we say, so this will be, they have given the example of 19, right? Ekona Vimshati. So it will be Ekona Vimshatihi, Ekona Vimshati, Ekona Vimshatayaha. In this way. All of this will go in Mati Shabda. Astu. Abhaji Agre, जिनके अंत में,
जिनके अंत में त है, जैसे त्रिंशत आदि, उनके रूप स्त्रीलिंग एक वचन में सरित। देखो पेज, देखो शब्द संख्या 19 के चलेंगे।
सत्य। So 19 is on the next page, or 2 pages later, 129. Sarit Shabda. Sarit, Saritau, Saritaha. So if you say Trimshat, Trimshat, Trimshatau, Trimshataha, in this way. Trimshatam, Trimshatau, Trimshataha, in that way. So you just follow the same rupa, but Sarit will be replaced by Trimshat. That is all. So either it follows Mati or it follows Sarit. Mati is Ikaranta Strilinga, Sarit is Takaranta Strilinga. दोनों उभयोः स्त्रीलिंग शब्दे स्तः।
Both are strilinga and both are ekavachana only.
No, both can be from ekavachana to bahuvachana. Only till this vimshati adi sabhi sankhyavachi shabda. Vimshatyadaha sadaikatve. But this 19, 29, all that stuff you can have multiple. In that sense.
So what do they mean by saying शब्दों के रूप स्त्रीलिंग एक वचन में ही चलते हैं?
Where? Here, right? This one. Navatihi.
एक वचन में ही चलते हैं.
So all this will go only in ekavachana. So ekona vimshati se navanavatihi. Everything will be in ekavachana alone. Like for example, from 11 to 18, they had said it is in different vachanas also, right? This was in which, maybe the earlier? No, not here. They had said that they had given till 18 in this book, I think, right?
Yes, I remember.
Yeah. Okay. So till 18 they have given. So from 19, how should we do? In Strilinga, Ekavachan mein. Acha, your question is why not Dvivachana and Bahuvachana? हाँ, satyam. So this is a mistake that I have made. So ekona vimshatihi, if you want to say 119, it's like 19 balakas. 19 boys are here. So you will say ekona vimshati, because this is like mati shabda, right? You will say ekona vimshati balakaha santi, in that sense.
Yeah.
ekona vimshati balakaha santi. 19 boys are here.
विंशति का आप द्विवचन बहुवचन ऐसे नहीं करोगे.
नहीं.
Just remain like that.
Exactly, because they are the thing is, when you say 19, what is bahuvachana of 19? There is no bahuvachana. There has to be only one vachana. What is dvivachana of 19? There is nothing. So they have taken keval ekvachana. In Sanskrit, these numbers will all go in ekvachana. That is what they are trying to say. एकोनविंशति से नवनवति ही तक सारे शब्द के रूप स्त्रीलिंग एक वचन में ही चलते हैं. You cannot say but 19 boys are there so it should be bahuvachana. No, it will be only ekvachana. In that sense they want to say. And if you have trimshat is not ikaranta, so you have to take sarit ekvachana. उनके रूप स्त्रीलिंग एकवचन में सरित के तुल्य चले. Correct. So there is no dvivachana, bahuvachana, etc. Everything will be in ekvachana. In this sense. Does anybody hear like a lot of background noise, like vehicles passing by?
No.
If you hear, I'll close the door. Okay, there is no problem.
You have done a nirodha of that.
Yes. Sometimes these big lorries come, like big trucks. So much noise because there's speed breaker, etc. So if one of those come, I will close myself. अस्तु. सुमंजयजी भवान् कृपया वदतु, पठतु घ दीर्घ.
सांख्येय क्रमवाचक विशेषण बनाने के लिए ये नियम स्मरण कर ले. प्रथम 1 से 10 तक के सांख्येय प्रथम द्वितीय आदि है.
एक निमिष सुमंजय जी, देखो अभ्यास द्वाविंशत्. अच्छा, अभ्यास द्वाविंशत्. So earlier abhyasa, we have seen this already. What they want to say is prathama, dvitiya. Here they are given everything. Prathama, dvitiya, tritiya, chaturtha. इतिवत्. अस्तु. हाँ, अग्रे द्वितीय.
द्वितीय 11 से 29 तक के अष्टादश तक के संख्येय शब्दों में अंत में अ लग जाता है. हाँ. जैसे एकादशः, 11वां, 3, 19.
एक निमिष. एकादशः, द्वादशः, त्रयोदशः इति अष्टादशः तक. So prathama, द्वितीय, तृतीय. But from ekadasha, द्वादश, त्रयोदश इतिवत् अष्टादशः. And then 3.
19 से आगे संख्येय शब्दों में अंत में तम या अ लगता है. जैसे विंशतितमः, विंशः, 20वां.
सत्यम.
The way we can चतुर्थ संख्येय शब्दों के रूप तीनों लिंगों में चलते हैं. पुंलिंग में रामवत, नपुंसक में गृहवत, स्त्रीलिंग में अंत में दीर्घ ई लगाकर नदीवत, स्त्रीलिंग में केवल प्रथमा, द्वितीय, तृतीय शब्द रमावत होते हैं. So I was thinking of it that suppose I have to use विंशति तमा, so we can say विंशति तमे अध्याये और अभ्यासे वयम और पाठे वयम विधिलिंग लकारस्य प्रयोगान अपश्यामः.
सत्यं. विधिलिंग लकारस्य प्रयोगं अपश्यामः. सत्यं. We have seen. So vimshati tame, that is what they want to say. Because if you want to say in saptami vibhakti, you just use that a vimshati tame iti abhyase. सत्यम. और विंशतितम अभ्यासः, अभ्यासस्य विषयः अस्ति किं? विधिलिंग लकार. You can say this way also. That विषय is विधिलिंग लकार. In that sense. संख्येय शब्दों के रूप तीनों लिंगों में चलते हैं. पुल्लिंग में रामवत. So Prathamam Brahmanam, like how in Brihadaranyaka generally we see Dvitiya Adhyaye Tritiyam Brahmanam. Brahmanam is Napumsakalinga. So it's a Tritiyam Pustakam. Parantu Kati Ramaha Santi, so or Kasmin Ramaha Asti Atra. So you'll say Tritiyaha Ramaha. The third Rama is here. Or Tritiyaha Balakaha Asti. You don't say Tritiyam Balakam. Balaka Shabda, if it is Pullinga, then it will go like Tritiya. Or like Sumanjay ji just now said, Tritiye Balake Bahu Daya Asti. You can say in Tritiya Balaka there is lot of kindness. Or Bahu Kushala Gunaha Santi. In that sense also you can say. It will just follow whatever Rupa that Sanya Shabda follows. Sankhya will also follow Sanya. This is what they want to say. I have a question now for all people. Anybody can answer. स्त्रीलिंग में केवल प्रथमा द्वितीया तृतीया शब्द रमावत होते हैं. Why only these three? Why they are given only prathama dvitiya tritiya? Why not other numbers also? Any guesses? अस्ति वा सर्वे?
Not very sure, but I was just thinking, how would it work for say Chaturthi? Would it be Chaturvimshatyaha Balikayaha, like that we will say? Then it becomes like Mati will become like.
Correct. Exactly. This is the answer. स्त्रीलिंग में अंत में ई लगाकर नदीवत. Chaturvimshati, if it is there, then it will be like Nadi or Mati, like you said, Mati Shabda. Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya. These are the only three numbers that are like Rama. You will not say Chaturtha, right? Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashami. Everything is Ikaranta. Nothing is Akaranta. When there is Akaranta, they again Ramavat hote hain. That is all. Correct, Sumanjay ji. Sriling mein keval Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Ramavat. Because Chaturthi Rama does not make any sense. Chaturthi means you have to follow whatever Ikaranta is there, not Akaranta Sri. That is what they want to say. Everyone is okay with this answer? Okay. If no questions, we go to Niyama Eka, Shatam Eka, Shatancha Eka. Kimasti Juhoti Adigana. सुंदर जी कृपया पठतु जुहोति आदिगण.
ज्योति आदिगण का विशेषता ये कि इसमें धातु और प्रत्यय के बीच में विकरण नहीं लगता है जैसे अदादिगण, परंतु धातु के द्वित्व दो बार पढ़ना हो जाता है. एक वचन में धातु को गुण होता है.
सत्य.
एक हो अभ्यास 38
सत्य. अपि च 40 is 40 is चतुर्विंशति is 24. चत्वारिंशत्. 40 is चत्वारिंशत् and 38 there again अष्टात्रिंशत्. अष्टा दिए है सत्य. So who becomes Juhoti? It will not be Hoti. Da dadati, not dati. Gra dadhati, not dhati. That is what they want to say. There is Dvitvam. Lakshana of Juhoti Adigana is Dvitvam. This is what you are seeing in this also. When you say this font has become weird, but anyway, when you say Adadigana has no Vikarana Pratyaya, Juhoti Adigana also has no Vikarana Pratyaya. What is the difference? Dvitvam is the difference. Juhoti, Jigrati, what else there? Dadati, Dadhati, all these shabdas, all these dhatus, Juhoti Adigana. And there is one shortcut, Bhvadigana means dhatus like bhu. So it became bhavati. Adadigana means dhatus like as, or so it became asti. Or jaise adati they had given. Kimasti prashna?
Ji, yesterday as well you mentioned, but I didn't quite understand, like jigrati, these shabdas that you have said. For example, dadati, so I can see the is getting repeated, but उसमें तो कुछ मुझे repeat नहीं दिखा, तो how is that?
Like in terms of juhoti, you are saying why is it not hahoti?
Correct. It's not jujoti or hahoti.
That is the lakshana of the dhatu. There is a niyama in this context which needs a lot of investigation in Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, where they try to explain why in Juhoti Adigana it will not always be the same akshara that repeats. Like why Juhoti plus but dadati, it should not be judati or the hahoti, or in that sense. For now, if we go into this will take at least an hour to go into each Juhotyadi Dhatu and say why this is not going, what is the Lakshana. What we can understand for now is Dvitvam. This is what is important in Rachananuvaga Kaumudi. When we come to Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, we will address that.
Okay, but to Abaji's point, when you see the word Juhoti, to know that it is Dvitva itself is very hard, unless you know that
you have to
know what is the
dhatu.
Core dhatu.
Yes. For example, in Swamiji's classes, Swamiji will ask, Mimamsa Shabda, which dhatu? You have to know. It is necessary to know. If some Shabda, Swamiji will say, which dhatu is this? You have to know whichever dhatu. So that comes from practice. It is not very difficult. It is based on how that dhatu declines, and then it becomes very easy. So if you see the declination form, you will know which gana it is. Based on that, you can say this dhatu. Like hasati, vikarana pratyaya is so it has to be vadigana. Or asti, adati, there is no vikarana pratyaya, so it has to be adadikana. In that sense, we can do. But it does require a little reading. For example, in Vyakarana, because we speak the language and we are learning words, etc., and we are used to reading it, it won't be so hard for us. If we just see a list of all dhatus one day, in like 25-30 minutes, it may take to go through 2000 dhatus. In the mind itself, it may stick. Then you know which dhatu is in which gana. In that sense, you can. But
I think it's also like if you do a lot of contextual study, like mane, this will come when we study pramana.
Exactly.
Will come. These things keep,
yes.
Like viveka, vichir bhave,
yes.
It will keep coming sometimes.
Correct. Whichever, when we say exactly, if you see the meaning around it, it makes sense. Mimamsa, if you want to know Mimamsa Shabda, Pujita Vichara. So it has to be that dhatu. Or some other Shabda has to be that dhatu. In that sense, contextual study helps. Sundarji, you were saying something else?
No. That's a valid point, because the context may not always be obvious.
Yes.
Like many times the answer to the dhatu is very different from the word itself.
Yes. Like this Anudya, one of Swamiji's favorite Shabda. Anudya is Vad Dhatu. How am I going to know Anudya is Vad Dhatu? It comes from Abhyas. Some contextual study will have Anudya will be Ut Dhatu, Dya Dhatu, something like that. But Anudya is Vad after some prasana. So sometimes that contextual is very helpful.
Even Juhoti is Purva Mimamsa.
Dadana Juhoti comes, right, in Artha Sangraha. Exactly. So these are some Purva Mimamsa Shabdas. When we read Artha Sangraha, these things become obvious. Oh, this dhatu will follow this. Mimamsa also is Artha Sangraha. So there are some dhatus which are helpful when you know the context well. You'll know which dhatu and which rupa, etc. Astu. Any other...
Basically, conclusion is lot of studies with awareness towards Vyakarana. That's what I am concluding.
Yes. But it looks very difficult. But Vyakarana is one of those topics where something clicks sometimes and we don't really know how it clicks. Like, because there is obviously some samskara. And when we read, because of reading Bhashya, Tika, etc., in the way that Swamiji teaches, this context, that thing, that sanskara builds up and up. So sometimes you will automatically, kind of mechanically even answer after a few months of regular study. It becomes very obvious. It is a little magical. Vyakarana is that kind of subject. It becomes quite obvious after some time.
Actually, I would like to believe you totally. But for the amount of wrong answers we keep hearing in
It's
class
okay.
from people,
Yes.
I don't know, it doesn't seem that obvious.
There is no one who has never answered a question wrong. Every person routinely gives wrong answers. We just have to learn from it. अस्तु नियम एक शतं द्वि. So now after 100, all the numbers will have double words. Astu, this is Sandhi. We will see. Okay, we will see this quickly. Sandhi Sutra. Sandhya ji कृपया पठतु. Sandhi Sutra किम् अस्ति?
हषि च हस्वा अ के बाद रू त या नियम 18 को ऊ हो जाता है.
एक निमिष. बाद रू मतलब इस या विसर्ग. ह्रस्व ए के बाद रू इज आइदर इस और विसर्ग एंड वॉट एवर इज. सो उसको ऊ हो जाता है, बाद में हश हो. सो टिल हियर यू से व्हाट इज दिस हश? तृतीय ऑफ ईच वर्ग, चतुर्थ ऑफ ईच वर्ग, पंचम ऑफ ईच वर्ग प्लस ह य वरल. दिस इज हश. If you want some proof, our friend Maheshwara Sutrani is here. They will show us Hash, Ha and Ish. So all this is Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya.
I looked at this, but there's also a her in the last sutra, Maheshwara Sutra.
Yes, that is Ha Il. But obviously that is not valid here, right? Because after that, this Maheshwara Sutrani, they say these came from, these are also called Shiva Sutrani. They say that these came from Bhagavan Shiva. So there is one, in fact I've seen one video where they even say it with Damaru and all that. It's very, it keeps your mind there. So her is there, but it doesn't make any sense when you say Hash, you cannot take from the 14th to the 10th. But when you say, for example, they said Tritiya, Chaturtha, Panchama, right? Jaba, Gada, Da, these are all Tritiya. Da, Dha, Dha, these are all Chaturtha. Jabha are also Chaturtha. So it makes sense when they say Ha, Ya, Vara, La. These are all, Ha, Ya, Vara, La plus Tritiya, Chaturtha, Panchama. So you say La is here, Ya, Vara, La, Ha, Ya, Vara, La. You give up the end na, you don't take the ta, no ma, no nya, no sha, and sha, of course you have to take. So la and then nya, ma, na, these are all panchama. Ja, bha, ga, dha, da, these are all chaturtha. Ja, bha, ga, dha, da, these are all tritiya. This is the logic in Maheshwara Sutra. It requires some careful reading, but there is a logic. अस्तु. संध्या जी कृपया आगे पठतु. नियम यहाँ से 99
हो तो नियम 99.
हाँ.
बाद में अ हो तब लगता है.
हाँ.
यह बाद में हश हो जाता है.
हाँ.
हो तो हश हो तो ऊ करने पर अ प्लस ऊ को ओ गुण हो जाता है.
हाँ. एक निमिष. हाँ. अस्तु पठतु. अर्थात
अस प्लस हश इक्वल्स टू ओ प्लस हश. जैसे रामः प्लस वदति इक्वल टू रामो वदति. ऐसे ही रामो वन्दः मेधो वर्षति नरो हस्ति बालो लिखति. अस्तु. नरो हसति बालो लिखति मेघो वर्षति. In that sense they have switched from Hindi to Sanskrit quickly. क्या मतलब है this नियम एक 99 is a confusing नियम. What do they want to say? Just see the उदाहरण.
अ प्लस उ को ओ हो जाता है. कस्मिन् संधि सूत्र अस्ति? अ धन उ ओ. सत्यम. गुण हो जाता है. दे हैव गिवन क्लू. गुण हो जाता है आद गुणः. सो अ प्लस उ ओ. करेक्ट. सो आद गुणः सूत्र. सो थ्रू आद गुण सूत्र दे वांट टू गिव एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन. उदाहरणस् आर वेरी क्लियर. आहा प्लस हश किं भवति? ओ प्लस हश. ओ जन धन हश. जैसे रामः वदति रामो वदति. रामः वन्द्यः रामो वन्द्यः. मेघः वर्षति मेघो वर्षति. नरो हसति नरः हसति. बालो लिखति बालः लिखति. इन दैट सेंस आहा विसर्ग लोपः अस्ति. ओ कारः भवति. हश् च इति सूत्रस्य.
So in Adgunah, we did not have Visarga and we had Swara in the second word.
Correct.
But here we have Visarga and Vyanjana.
Exactly. Both. So there are differences. It is not going to be like Adguna sister. They have just given Adguna, but this is really Visarga Sandhi, right? This is also part of like Hashicha. If there is Visarga, then what happens? This is Hashicha, like our other friends, like Atorora Plutada Plute, Sasajushoruhu, Visarjaniyasya Saha, Stohoshtunashtu, Shtunashtu, all are Visarga Sandhis. At least Stohoshtunashtu, maybe you cannot say Visarga, but the others are all, and maybe Visarjaniyasya Saha also, but others are all Visarga Sandhis. अस्तु. अभ्यास 23 पृष्ठक्रमाङ्कः 47 उदाहरणवाक्य. This will go quickly. We are going to finish this quickly. You watch. 11 छात्राः 12 बालिकाः. अस्तु. प्रथमः संध्याजी वदतु. किमस्ति ट्रान्स्लेशन्?
11 छात्राः 12 बालिकाः 13 पुस्तकानि 14 फलानि 29 पुष्पाणि छात्र सन्ति. 11 छात्र 12 बालिकाः 13 पुस्तके 14 फल और 19 पुष्प छात्र के साथ है.
नहीं, छात्र मतलब च अत्र सन्ति, वो सब यहाँ है. छात्र अगर बोला तो दीर्घ होता है, यहाँ पे ह्रस्व च. सो च अत्र सन्ति, सब यहाँ है. ऐसे भवती तु अष्टम किं भवति?
तृतीया या कक्षाय एकादश चतुर्थ्या 12 छात्रा अत्र अस्ति. तीसरी कक्षा में 11 चतुर्थ 11 12 छात्र वहाँ है.
यहाँ है अत्र. तृतीयाः कक्षायाः विल बी षष्ठी विभक्ति. तो तृतीया कक्षा, थर्ड क्लास, तीसरी कक्षा के का अथवा तृतीय कक्षा का, यू कैन से तृतीय कक्षा का 11 चतुर्थ्याः चतुर्थ 11 वा, यू कैन से फॉर एकादश मतलब 11 वा मतलब 11वें और चतुर्थ का 12वें छात्र यहाँ है. तृतीय कक्ष के 11वें छात्र, थर्ड तृतीय कक्षा का 11वें छात्र, 11th student in the third class and 12th student in the fourth class. Both are here. अत्र अस्ति. छात्रः अत्र अस्ति. हाँ.
In this 8th one, this Tritiya can be Panchami or Shashti.
Yes.
But you can say from 5th class also. From 5th class, so it can be both Panchami or Shashti.
Yes, but the meaning will not change.
The meaning won't change.
In this context.
Yes. But it can be both.
Yes, exactly. It can be both. If there is a different meaning, then you have to take the meaning that makes sense.
sentence, yeah, but here it can be
correct. Yes. Astu. Sundarji Bhavane vadu Dvitiya.
Dvitiya. Okay. So Dvitiya is Prathamayam, so it's Saptami.
Correct.
So it is in the class. There is 20 in
The first class.
In class 1, 20, class 2, 30, class 3, 40, and class 4, 50 Chatraha Santi. That many students are there.
They are all there. Satyam. Astu. Bhavane vadu Dashama.
Dashama. Okay. So Dashama is
This is easy. All these are very easy.
yes. So Dashama is Kaha and
Ka.
Kadya. So it is Kaha plus Adya.
Ka Adya.
Ka Adya. Okay. And then so Ka Adya. So basically, what is the Tithi today? So that is the word. But again here, Titihi Asti. So that is why Titir Asti.
Satyam. Sandhi Sutra.
Sandhi Sutra is what we did one day before, which is
Sasajushoruhu. This is Atharora. Sasajushoruhu. Ra. Ra has come, right?
Ra has come. Sasajushoruhu.
Astu. And what is this? Panchami, Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami? This is very easy.
Which one?
What is the Tithi today? Kadya Tithi Asti. Panchami, Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Va.
Yes.
So even in Hindi, if you say it says same thing. Ka Adya. Tithi is Srilinga. So they have used Ka.
Ka.
It has to match. Astu. Sumanjay ji कृपया वदतु Tritiya.
Interesting. So बालो भोजनम अति बालक भोजन करता है या भोजन खाता है बालक भोजन खाए इस गोट लकार बालक भोजन खाएगा बालक को भोजन खाना चाहिए बालक ने भोजन खाया
सत्यम
क्या क्या इज दैट और
either one of this. तो बालक भोजन खा रहा है खावे अत्स्यति खाएगा अद्यात खाना चाहिए और खाया सत्य बहु सम्यक् अस्ति.
Just this the word khave. How exactly? Because it's not something we use normally in Hindi. Ki ye khave. I don't know.
It's North Indian colloquial prayoga, I think. It's not that.
So how would you translate khave?
You have to ask a Hindi. Maybe Sumanjay ji can answer.
Yeah, I'm a Bengali, but yeah.
Should eat.
Yes.
Should eat. जो हम विधिलिंग लकार कहते हैं ना.
So
it's that one.
विधिलिंग और लोट. विधिलिंग खाना चाहिए ना.
मतलब he should eat.
So should eat can be both lot and vidhiling, or lot can be must eat.
Lot will be a little stronger.
Yeah. That is why I said vidhiling, I think.
Vidhiling will be खाना चाहिए. So if खावे खाए is खाना चाहिए.
खावें is खाना चाहिए.
अच्छा.
It's used in that context.
Okay, so then it will be vidhiling. Lot if it is used very strongly. So what would you say if it is strongly, a little stronger?
खाओ या खाना चाहिए can be strong also. It depends. Like तुम्हें ये करना चाहिए. So that is a very strong, because हिंदी में अगर ऐसा कहा, that means you have to do it. ऐसा अर्थ होता है.
I was thinking of it in this terms, the vidhilinga and lota, as say if we say juhuyat, that is a general instruction. That will create in Mimamsa Bhavana. I mean, that will create, okay, I should do. Then he will go to the Guru, he will say, yeah, Juhotu or something like that. So I think it's more personalized, this one, than and Vidhiling is more general.
Yes.
Because in a Mimamsa sense, we have that.
Yes, that is true. Like even when we say like Satyam Vada, Dharmam Chara, this is more specific, right? Even though it is a quite straight sentence in Taittiriya Upanishad. But Satyam Bruyat, Priyam Bruyat, this is general statement from Manu Smriti, or I think it's from Manu Smriti. It is good to speak the truth and kindly, in that sense.
In fact, Vidhi, if we look at it, Taitiriya, I mean, that's again a connection. I think Taitiriya has that, it says Esha Adesha, Esha Upadesha. So that is for this Chara and Vada. So then it becomes an instruction rather than an injunction.
Yes, exactly. Yes, correct. This is the difference mainly between, this is one more difference between Lot and Vidhi. So either you can say, you say it very strongly and directly, or you say it is good for you. Or you can say, by extension, the meaning also comes, general or specific. General is not generally very straight to you. Specific is straight to you. So this may be the difference here. Attu and Adyat, this could be the difference. It is good to eat or you should eat. He should eat in that sense. Astu. Sumandeji, Bhavaneva Kripa Varatu, Navama. Sorry, Navama is done, right? Is Navama done? No, Navama is not done.
Okay, so I will go with Navama. Navamyaha Kakshayyaha. नौवी कक्षा का 20तमः नवम्याः कक्षायाः 20तमो नौवी कक्षा का 20वां और च दैट इज और दशम्याः 10वीं कक्षा का 30तमो वा दैट इज 30वां छात्र अत्र है या नहीं, अत्र अस्ति वा? So
नहीं, अत्र अस्ति वा इज फॉर दोस टू, 20तम अथवा 30तम वा छात्र अत्र अस्ति, because other whether if they were asking a question they'll say छात्र अस्ति वा and question mark, but here it is छात्र अत्र अस्ति. सत्य. अस्तु, भवानेव वदतु कृपया. आप चतुर्थ, राहु सूर्य को रसते.
राहु सूर्य को रसता है. तो it eclipses the सूर्य.
सत्य. अस्तु. आभाजी पंचम वदतु कृपया.
दुःखं मा बाधते. Is it?
सत्य. माम actually there is an anuswar. माम
बाधते.
अनुस्वार is there.
माम is to me.
Yes.
Yeah. So दुःख मुझे बाधित करता है.
बाधते what they have given some meaning, right? बाध is दुख देना. अच्छा, दुख मुझे दुख देना. Yes.
दुख मुझे दुखी करता है. Okay.
अस्तु, भवती एव वदतु. षष्ठ.
I'm not yet Brahmanist basically. That's what that sentence is.
Yes. Correct. षष्ठ.
This I was thinking. सूर्यः मरीचिभिः राजते. तो सूर्य मरीचि में या
मरीचिभिः इस तृतीया विभक्ति अथवा यू कैन इवन पंचमी, राइट? मरीचिभिः इसके द्वारा या यहाँ से मरीचि से, किरण से यू कैन से.
राजते मतलब शाइन्स.
Yeah, shines. Or if they had given some other here, right? They had given shobhit, I think.
शोभता है.
राज धातु शोभित होना, तो राजते मतलब शोभित हो रहा है.
Okay. Why I got confused was क्योंकि मरीचि कभी सूर्य का नाम भी कहते हैं ना. It's
yes. So Marichi here you will have to take a sun rays in that sense.
Rays.
किरण से शोभित हो रहा है.
किरणों से राजता है तो मेक्स एकदम से सेंस करता है. मरीचि भी मतलब सूर्य अपनी किरणों से शोभा
किरणों से ही होगा, क्योंकि मरीचि भी इज नॉट एकवचन, राइट? सो इट हैज टू बी किरणों से. सत्य. किरणों से शोभित हो रहा है,
शोभा पाता है. शोभित है.
लाइक राहुः सूर्यं ग्रसते, दुःखं मां बाधते. सो ऑल दिस they are quite obvious sentences. सप्तम शिष्यः गिरिं लंघते. अहं वदामि शिष्यः गिरिं लंघते. शिष्य क्रॉसेस पर्वत. पर्वत को लांग
शिष्य पर्वत को
लांघता है. सत्य. पर्वत को लांघता है. अस्तु, संस्कृत बनाओ.
Just we started with this श्लोक ना, पंगुम लंघयते गिरिं.
सेम. करेक्ट. शिष्यः लंघते हैं श्री कृष्ण आशीर्वाद. श्री कृष्णस्य आशीर्वादात् शिष्यः गिरिं लंघते. और माधवस्य परमानंद माधवस्य आशीर्वादात् लभ्यते इति वत्.
Is Ashirvadat part of the Ashirvad Lakara, whatever we saw one yesterday?
Ashirling. Yes, you can use Ashirling Lakara, but here Ashirvada is Sanya Shabda.
Okay.
Through Sri Krishna's Ashirvadam, like in that sense.
No, that's fine.
Yes, but you can use Ashirling also. In such a context, it is quite valid. Astu. K. Sanskrit बनाओ. K. ये क्या है इतना बड़ा? अस्तु. अस्तु. सुंदर जी भवतु वदा.
Okay. The first
भवान्
one.
वदतु. हाँ.
Prathama Kaksha में, and then after that it was एकोनविंशति etc.
हाँ.
So Prathamayam Kakshayam.
सत्यम.
सप्तमी है.
हाँ.
So Prathamayam Kakshayam
हाँ.
एकोनविंशति. Then we have to say Dvitiyayam. Dvitiyayam Vimshati.
सत्यम.
Dvitiyayam Vimshat. Chaturthayam, we forget word.
चत्वारिंशत्.
Chatvarvimshat.
हाँ.
And
चतुर्थ्याम
Pancham.
it will be. Chaturthyam. Here they have given, right? This example, Chaturthyam, not Chaturtha. हाँ, here. Chaturthyam. Chaturthyam.
Chaturthyam.
Chatvarimshat.
yeah, and then after that it is Pancha.
पंचम में तो पंचम्याम.
No, it is Pancham May, so therefore it is again for the 50th year that is given Panchashcha.
पंचम्ये पंचम्याम पंचाशत. 50. In the fifth there is 50. So in the
Yeah,
fifth will be
Pancham Shat, so therefore the Pancham Shat will have been Pancham Shatyam. Shat.
fifth में इंद्रजी, not in पंचमा, not in 50th. Fifth, in the fifth. पंचमा is number 5. So पंचम्याम बस.
Panchamyam.
पंचम्याम पंचाशत.
Panchashat.
पंचाशत. हाँ, fifth.
Panchashat and Shashtamyam Shashtaha.
षष्ट्याम.
Shashtyam Shashtaha.
षष्टिः.
Shashtihi.
हाँ, 60 is षष्टिः.
Yeah, and Saptyam,
सप्तम्याम.
Saptamyam, oh, this has to be the head.
सप्ततिः.
Okay.
हाँ,
Yeah, Saptatihi.
हाँ.
Saptatihi.
Then everything is obvious. अष्टम्याम आशीतिः.
Ashtam, Ashtihi. And Navamyam is
नवतिः.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm missing this.
से.
Navamyam Navatihi.
हाँ,
Navamyam Navatihi. And finally is
दशम्याम.
Dashamyam. Dashamyam, it's okay, Shatam.
शतम. फिर छात्र हैं.
Shatam Chatra Chatra Santi.
छात्राः सन्ति.
Chatraha Santi. Sorry.
अस्तु, धन्यवादः. सम्यक् अस्ति. अस्तु, भवानेव वदतु सुन्दरजी. अष्टम राहु सूर्य को ग्रस्ता है. सेम टू. अस्तु, ना दिस इज द सेम एज बिफोर. केतु सूर्य को ग्रस्ता है. चंद्रमा को ग्रस्ता है.
Ketu Chandrama ko grasta hai. So therefore, Ketu
हाँ.
Chandramam grasate.
चंद्रम
Chandram grasate.
ग्रसते. सत्य. अस्तु, आभाजी कृपया पठत् वदतु. तृतीय.
पुत्र खाना खाता है.
हाँ.
पुत्रः
हाँ.
अन्नम
हाँ.
खादते.
हाँ, खादति अथवा अत्ति. Here they are given, right? आदि धातु you have to use. अत्ति.
अत्ति.
भोजनम अत्ति.
भोजनम अत्ति. पुत्रः भोजनम अत्ति.
हाँ. भवती एव वदतु सप्तम.
राम को फल खाना चाहिए. रामः फलम खाना चाहिए. वी जस्ट डिस्कस दिस. वे होता है शायद.
खाना चाहिए विल बी विधिलिंग.
अद्यात्.
अद्यात्. सत्यम. रामम फलम अद्यात्. रामः फलम अद्यात्. वी कैन से
रामः फलम अद्यात्.
रामः फलम. अस्तु. अस्तु. अस्तु, संध्याजी कृपया वदतु. चतुर्थ.
बालक फल खावे.
हाँ.
बालकः फल खावे instruction.
सत्यम. You can use that adhatu. Adhatu lot lakara. In my screen it is
Atu.
Atu. I thought I'll ask a question. Correct. Balaka palam atu. Astu. Bhavati tu ये सब तो हमने ऑलरेडी. एक सेकेंड. Can you hear this noise from outside?
Little bit, but not too disturbing.
But it doesn't disturb. I think it's very loud for you. For us, it's bearable.
Okay, that is
Doesn't
good.
disturb.
It will disturb Sundarji in 10 seconds. G, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, we have already seen all this. All this is given up. Whatever in Sanskrit they are given in Hindi. So, Sandhya ji bhavati vayatu panchama.
बालिकाः भात खाएगी. बालिकाः भात only.
Odanam. Annam, odanam you can say. Odanam.
Annam. खाएगी will be like खादति. खाएगी.
You can use at dhatu. Ad dhatu.
अत्यति.
Satyam. Balika odanam annam atsyati. Satyam. Astu. Sumanjay ji कृपया वदतु षष्ठ.
षष्ठः is षष्ठः शिष्य ने खाना खाया. शिष्यः भोजनम आदत्.
भोजनम आदत्. सत्यम. अपि च भवानेव वदतु द्वितीय. You finished everything else, I think.
प्रथमायाः कक्षायाः एकादशं छात्रं एकादशं. द्वितीयायाः कक्षायाः पञ्चदशं. तृतीयायाः षोडशं.
सत्यं.
चतुर्थ्याः कक्षायाः 20तमं.
सत्यं.
पञ्चम्याः कक्षायाः 40तमं. 40तमं. षष्ठ्यायाः कक्षायाः 50तमं. सप्तम्याः 60तमं. अष्टम्याः 70तमं. नवम्याः 80तमं. दशम्याः 90तमं छात्रं च गुरवः आह्वयन्ति अथवा गुरवः आहूयमानः.
बहु सम्यक्. वंडरफुल. परफेक्ट. बहु सम्यक् अस्ति. अस्तु. We are short on time, so we are going to continue. अशुद्ध टु शुद्ध. अहं पठामि. दशमे कक्षायां शतानि छात्राः नास्ति. दशम्यां कक्षायां. सप्तमस्य कक्षाः नास्ति. सप्तम्याः कक्षायाः. बालकफलम् अदतु अदेत् वा. बालकफलम् अत्तु, नाट् अदतु. अत्तु. आदिधातु विल फॉलो. अत्तु. अत्ति, अत्तु, अद्यात् इति यत् सर्वे सन्ति. अभ्यासः. दो ख को बहुवचन बनाओ. अच्छा. और दो ग को लोट लंग और विदिलिंग में बदलो. वी विल कम बैक टू दिस इफ वी हैव टाइम. आई वांट टू सी द वाक्य संधि करो फर्स्ट. अस्तु. रामः गच्छति विल बिकम का वदति सा. आभाजी कृपया वदतु. रामः गच्छति.
रामः प्लस गच्छति. रामा गच्छति.
रामो गच्छति. भवती एव वदतु. बालकः वदति.
बालको वदति.
सत्यं. बालो वदति. किमस्ति विच्छेदं छेदनं.
बालो वदति. बालाः बालः वदति.
सत्यं. बालः वदति. अस्तु. संध्याजी कृपया वदतु. नरः हसति.
नरे हस्ति.
नरो हसति. भवान् एव वदतु. कृष्णः जयति. भवती एव.
कृष्णो जयति.
कृष्णो जयति. सत्यं. नृपो वा.
नृपः.
सत्यं. नृपः वा. A will become O. That is what Hashicha says. Visarga is there. Visarga will become O. So all visargas are becoming O. That's all. Ramo gachati. Balako vadati. Naro hasati. Devo yati. Sarve. सुमंजी जी कृपया वदतु. छात्रः वा. अस्ति वा सुमंजयजी?
छात्रो वा,
हाँ, और पुत्रो याति, but it is all very easy. There is nothing.
पुत्रः याति.
हाँ, सुंदरजी, हाँ, सुंदरजी कृपया वदतु, पुत्रः दुग्धं,
पुत्रो दुग्धं,
और शिष्यो भाषते.
शिष्य, so शिष्यः प्लस भाषते.
शिष्यः प्लस भाषते. को वा and को नः, को न. So in this way, this is where that. Acha, we will come to this. First, we want to see Hashicha in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Where is it?
युक्तो मन्येत.
Satyam. Yuktaha will become yukto. Yukto manyeta tattvavid. Actually, that is not given here, but that is correct. Yuktaha manyeta will become yukto manyeta. Hashicha sutra. Anywhere else? This Hashicha, I think, is an addition from Prarambhika, right? I don't think this is in Prarambhika. Sundarji, Sandhyaji, do you remember?
No, it is not there.
Okay. There is one more for Hashicha. Sarvabhutasthitham yo mam, yaha mam sarvabhutasthitham bhajati. The one that sees me everywhere. Ekatvam asthita. So sarvabhutasthitham yo mam, yaha mam has become yo mam. Same for that yukto maneta that. There will be others also, but let us see in Adhyasa Bhashya first. This will be a little more challenging.
Sorry, there was one lokokshara.
No?
Lokekshara.
Loke.
है ना?
Loke is A, na? It has to be O.
Oh,
like
correct.
yo, mam, and yukto. Yes.
So Kutastokshara.
Kutastokshara, but Kutastokshara it is better because it has avagraha. Astu. So that is, yes, you can say Hashicha also follows, but those are the kinds of sutras where we saw this Engah Padantadati, avagraha came, right? Engah Padantadati we saw, right, in Rachananada Kamati? I think we saw.
Yes,
So that one. Atoro Raplutadaplute. In Atoro Raplutadaplute, for example, they had given Ko Trasti, Ramo Hasat. So those, like that. Kutastokshara, same. Ko atra asti. So Kutastokshara will be Kutastha akshara asti. Kutastokshara uchyate. Charam Kutastokshara uchyate. Kutastha akshara uchyate. That's it. Is that okay, Abhaji?
Yes.
Astu.
Thank you.
Adhyasa Bhashya. Where is Hashicha?
विषये ध्यासो मिथ्येति विषये ध्यासो.
Vishaye adhyasah. So will it be Hashicha?
और मिथ्या because तीसरा चौथा एंड पांचवा is ma.
हाँ, but Vishaye adhyasa. That avagraha has come. Okay, you can say dha, but Vishaye dhyasa because of avagraha.
The sa, the basically the adhyaso, the okar is
Acha, you're saying correct. Adhyaso mityeti. That is satyam. Correct. Adhyasa
then
mityeti.
poyam adhyaso nameti, that one is there.
Poyam adhyaso nameti. Satyam. So in that sense, wherever you see okara, where visarga should be, Hashicha. These
Vishayino.
Vishayino. In the first line, right? Tama Prakashava.
Yes.
Vishayinos Tama Prakashava. Vishayinoho. That will not be Hashicha. Because Vishayinoho is Dvivachana. You see? Yushmad Asmad Pratyaya Gochara Yoho. Dvivachana. Yushmad Pratyaya and Asmad Pratyaya. Yushmad Asmad Pratyaya Gochara Yoho. Vishaya Vishayinoho. Vishaya and Vishayi. Vishaya Vishayinoho. So that is Dvivachana. That is which sutra? Abhaji Bhavati Avatu. Vishayinos Tamaha. Not Hashicha, but which sutra? How do you split Vishayinos Tamaha?
Vishayino, and Tamaha.
Satyam. Vishayinoho and Tamaha. So Visarga has become Sakara. What is that sutra?
Yes.
Visarjaniyasya Saha.
Yes,
Would you call it Visarga Lopa?
Visarga Lopa Bhavati. Sakara asti.
Yeah.
Iskara asti. In that sense you can say. Lopa means it has gone away.
Gone away, yeah.
That's all. But correct. Vishayinaha, Vishayinoho, Tamaha. So in that Vishayinostamaha prakashat. Astu. Because dvivachana. Then there will be a lot more. You can see for maybe 2-3 minutes to 1 minute, and then we can finish that abhyasa.
Aparoksha, no, that's one word.
Yes, paroksha, aparoksha. That's it. But we can find others. Just this is the important thing. If visarga has become is, then you will say visarjaniya se sama. If visarga has become o, ashicha. If visarga has become ish, toho shtunashtuhu. If visarga has become ish, dantya, murdhanya, shtunashtuhu. These are all visarga sandhis. It depends on what it becomes. That is all. Visarga ropas everywhere. Kim asti? Sakara asti va, shakara asti va, shakara asti, whatever is there, based on the sutra that also changes.
There is one more, not in the Bhashya, but what we were discussing yesterday. Abhinava Chandreshwaro.
Correct. Abhinava Chandreshwaro. Thank you for reminding me. This question came up yesterday, right? What is this Vijayeta Taram? I had messaged you, but that is the answer. Abhinava Chandre, and Swamiji told me he will see and tell me on Thursday. So if he has any addition, I will tell you that also. But I think Abhinava Chandreshwara Vijayeta Taram. Abhinava Chandreshwara Vijayeta Taram. Vijayeta Taram is Tarap Pratyaya. Like how we say Tavatu, Tamap, Tarap Tamap, and whatever else we had. Tavya, Aniyar. The Tarap Pratyaya is there, and there is one more sutra that I had sent to you. I have forgotten that sutra, but that is the sutra that works on Vijayeta Taram. So the question from yesterday, if anybody was wondering, anyone else, this is the sutra. Kimeti ngamyaya dhat amva dravya prakashe. Kimeti ngamyaya gadam dravya prakashe. So that is a sutra, 5-4-11, if anybody is interested.
I think the prakarsha is where the tarap tamap would be indicated.
Yes, exactly. Because that the tarap and tamap are both included in this sutra. But Vijayeta Taram is tarap. So that is why the sutra works. Exactly. Astu. Vakya Banavo, we can see, because in 10 minutes we have Aishkarmya Siddhi. Maybe quickly we just do this. Sundarji, Kripya Vavatu Pratamaha. Sorry, I am in 22, right? Sorry, we have to go to 23. That is 23rd. K ko bahuvachan और ग को लोट. एक एक करेंगे. क को बहुवचन. So खाता ad dhatu bahuvachan in third will be what?
Ad dhatu bahuvachan. Okay, so therefore ad dhatu bahuvachan. पुत्र खाना खाता है. ओके, अदातु बहुवचन है अदंती. अति अदंती.
सत्य. अस्तु. संध्या जी कृपया वदतु. दो क को लोट करना है. तो दिस ग्रस धातु इन लोट, व्हाट विल बी? We said this is little hard actually. Okay, we can do this. Okay, they have asked. Gras dhatu, load. Sandhya ji asti va? Acha. Sandhya ji nasti. Abha ji, gras dhatu, load. Kim bhavati?
Grasati will be the latlakar.
So they had given grasate. This was latlakara. Like sevate. So load will be like sevate.
Sevate matlab grasate.
Grasate is latlakara. So now we have to see for Atmanepadiya load. Okay, I'll give an example. Save Atmanepadi load will be sevatam. So this will be
Grasatam.
Satyam. Easy, right? Grasatam. Astu. Sumanjay ji bhavan vavatu kripya Raj dhatu. In something
Lot,
else. Not lot, lung.
Lung dhatu. Lung is Raja Ashobhata.
Ashobhata. Apicha Vidilingi? Vidiling lakare. Timavati.
शोभेत, शोभेत, शोभितां, शोभितं.
शोभेत, that is correct. अस्तु, फाइनल वाक्य बनाओ and then we can finish in 2 minutes. वाक्य बनाओ. एकादशः अपि च अत्ति. This is सुंदरजी. Okay, सुंदरजी एकादश, whatever, एकादश एकादशः, both you can say, and अत्ति. आभाजी विंशति विंशतितमः, either word, and अत्स्यति. सुमंजय जी विंशः, sorry, त्रिंशत्तमः अथवा त्रिंशः, and आदत्. Everyone got it?
So, yeah, kind of. So let's try the first one.
एकादश अत्ति.
Okay. Atti is to eat, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So we can say Saha Ekadasha Vrate na Atti.
Ekadashi, that should be.
Ekadashi Vrate.
You can say Ekadasha Balaka Atti.
Ekadasha Balaka Atti. So that's okay.
But Saha Ekadashi Titi Shabda you have to use.
You have to use Titi.
And then Na Atti, that will be correct, I think. I think Na Atti should be okay. हाँ, आभाजी कृपया वदतु. विंशति विंशतितम अपि च अत्स्यति.
So Vimshatihi, we use it exactly the way it is, right?
Yes. Either word you
Vimshat-
can use. Either Vimshati or Vimshatitamah, but you have to use with Atsyati.
Okay. Vimshatitama Chhatraha, and then
Atsyati. See, Vimshatitama is Ekavachana. So, your sentence will change to
Chhatra.
Vimshatitamah Chhatraha Atsyati. He will eat. The 20th boy will eat. 20th student will eat. Sumanjay ji. Trimshattamah अथवा त्रिंशः अपि च आदत्. These are easy to do.
There's something creative I will do. Okay. So Kailasa ashramasya trimshattamah sadhuः madhukarim कृत्वा भोजनम् आदत्.
Satyam. Samyak. Astu. Last question before we stop. जुहोति आदि गण के विशेषता किम अस्ति?
No vikarya.
नो विकरण.
No vikarya.
हाँ, but
द्वित्व होता है.
द्वित्व होता है.
But dvitva.
Yes. So Visheshta is no Vikarana, but Adadikana also has no Vikarana. If somebody does Shanka, then this difference is Dvitvam. Double it comes. Dvitvam, for now they have given some examples. 38 to 40 they will give more. Abhyasa 38 to 40 more examples. And we will see later in the next book if we are doing, then that will have more examples for sure. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः. ओम.